Everybody, just checking out this Hypertough 1/4-inch impact wrench, new from Hypertough. Couldn't find any videos on it, so I thought I'd just buy one and see what it's capable of. Here's that part number. It's pretty small. Feels great in the hand. Obviously, it's not meant for big jobs, but planning on using it for covers under the cars, for like oil changes, things like that, whenever it's needed. But I did see that when trying to put the socket on, if you guys can see here, that retaining ring, it's a little bent, so it's a little hard to remove the socket when it's in place. So there you go. I'm gonna try to bend it back eventually, but for right now, just wanted to see if maybe it's just a defect on mine. Right now I got the biggest I can possibly find on a 1/4-inch. So there it is. So I'm gonna try this. Have my jack here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone down real quick. I'm gonna try to torque this thing down for 40 pounds first. Alright, I decided to take another route. The bolt on the jack broke, so I know this isn't ideal, but just to give it a little test run here. So I'm gonna torque it down to, I don't know if you can see that there, but it's around 30 foot-pounds. 20 foot-pounds. Let's see how that does. So it's very little, just testing it out for the purpose of the video here. Obviously adapters aren't going to be the best option here. It looks ridiculous, I know, but just testing it out. So this is 20 foot-pounds. Nothing, even with adapters. I think I broke it. That's definitely not supposed to happen. This is forward, if you guys can see. It's going in reverse. Switching it to reverse. Stays in reverse. Oh my God. Well, now tighten it back up to 40 and try that. All right, so this is 40 foot-pounds. You can see it there. I mean, I did it, so I'm just having issues with the forward. I'm gonna return it and get another one. I like it. It's pretty nice for covers, but definitely broken here. All right, so let's try